Hello everyone, this is Sovik, a soft skill trainer. I am speaking my way to success. I am a part of successgyan's new reality show, Super Speaker. According to me, success means a sense of satisfaction which someone gets after completing a task or job. Now, if someone is task oriented, result oriented, then he has to be successful. I believe that everyone in this world is successful. Someone is successful, very successful, and other one is not so successful like that person. Now, it doesn't come by chance or accident. It needs a thorough practice and also discipline to fulfill the dream, a big dream which is always there in front of someone's eyes. I believe that present time is the best time. It gives someone the power to execute any action because we cannot move to past. We cannot move to future. So present time is the most important time. If I ask you to raise your hand, right hand, you will do like this. Then if I ask you to increase the height, you will do like that. And then the last one, the capability you have. Now it is a human psychology. There is always a gap between what we can and what we do. Now if you want to be successful, then there should not be any gap. There should be a connection between the capability and the habit which you do actually to execute a task. This is the success principle I follow. Thank you very much for watching. All the best. Bye bye.